Guys, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable your color filter shortcut on your Android or Samsung phone. And this is going to put a shortcut key on the lower part of your phone towards the right hand side. Go to settings, then click on accessibility, then click on vision enhancement. Scroll down to where you'll find color filter, tap on that. Now if you look, you'll find the option that says color filter shortcut. If you toggle it on, just select tap accessibility button, then click on OK, and if you look to the lower right hand side, you have that button. You can simply toggle it on or off whenever you want to enable the color filter. So guys, in case you find a color filter that you really like, it could be rose, it could be violet, it could be whatever you want, you can easily go ahead and turn on the color filter to whenever you want to use this specific one. So let's say I like the orange, I can keep that, turn on color filter whenever I want to, because I now have that shortcut button on the lower right hand side. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.